Flipper button quick fix. Flipper buttons of new pinball machines have a casting scene, which might bother you during gameplay. Remove the circlip at first. Here you can see the small casting scene, which we are going to grind down. Mount the flipper button onto the electric drill. You can attach the second button with a double-sided tape. Warning, do not use gloves or cloth if working with turning machines like I do, or your fingers might get hurt really bad. Grind down the casting seam with a very fine 500 plus grit sandpaper until you can't feel the seam anymore. Now repeat that with the second button. Polish the flipper buttons with Novus 3 and 2 to make sure the buttons slide well during gameplay. Remove the M3 residue with Novus 1 and put the buttons back into place. Now stop blaming your poor flipper skills on the broken buttons and watch my tutorials. And please share and subscribe to support this channel.